Hey guys, this is a tutorial for the Ranger roll. This is a way of folding up a t-shirt or any shirt for that matter that saves some space. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to take the bottom hem and flip it inside out about 1/2 an inch. Make sure you're doing this on both sides and make sure it's nice and flat. Throughout, if the flatter and less wrinkles there are in the shirt, the neater it will turn out. Then you're going to fold 1/2 over towards the middle and make sure to fold in the sleeve as well, and then do the same with the other half. And then what you're going to do is flip the shirt over and start rolling from the collar down to the bottom of the shirt. The tighter that you make this roll, the better the Ranger roll will turn out in the end. So try to start it tight and keep a tight roll throughout. Once you get to the end where you folded the hem inside out, you're going to wrap that around the ends and kind of tuck the ends of the shirt into that open hem. So once you get both of the ends around, it should hold the shirt together and you have a nice, easy to pack t-shirt. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See ya.